Good evening, Namaskar, dignitaries on the stage, dignitaries off the stage, Harishwar ji. Thank you, Sriman Seva Foundation. आपने कहा कि मैं कीनोट एड्रेस दे रही हूँ, आपने कहा कि मैं गेस्ट हूँ. I don't think I'm either a guest, nor am I giving any keynote address. मैं आपके साथ हूँ, मैं एक टीम मेंबर हूँ और मैं मन से कह रही हूँ कि मुझे जब से मैंने एंटर किया और आप सबसे मुलाकात हुई, I've heard that speech which came from the heart. अशोक जी से इनफैक्ट कीनोट एड्रेस आपने दे दिया एंड आई थिंक दैट जो पैल्पेबल पैशन, एनर्जी एंड इन्वॉल्वमेंट एंड द काइंड ऑफ honesty which is coming out is so uplifting. So I am humbled कि आपने सोचा कि मैं काबिल हूँ कि मैं आपके साथ जुड़ सकती हूँ. So that itself is a huge thing. So thank you so much, Seva Foundation. And then actually before I get into the science, I have realized कि ये mixed audience है. There are a lot of doctors, there are a lot of young ones. It's always so great to see young faces. But हमारे पास बच्चे हैं, हमारे पास trans disciplines है. तो I'll keep it bilingual and I'm going to modify it. And okay. So ये slides कहाँ प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है? Yes, okay. तो दूसरी चीज ये है कि so what जो गैप एनालिसिस आपने कहा कि इन जनरल जो हेल्थ सिंपल अभी भी कोई बता रहे थे कि मकसद क्या है. सो सेम थिंग आपने कहा सर कि हेल्थ इज माय बर्थ राइट. Health can't be bartered. Health can't be bartered to haves and have-nots. So as a responsible citizen in a civilized society, health has to be optimal, it has to be accessible, available, and it has to be affordable to everyone, irrespective of the social, geographic and economic barriers across the society. And this has to be the vertical on which we build up our faith into a system where we exist and we want our children to come up. So I think this is the basic, right? And as responsible professionals, technocrats, the policymakers and implementers and the adjudicators and the advocacies and everything has to be into this network to make it possible. So said that, like anyway, what I'm going to give you is sort of a microcosm, or I would take this as an example of an action plan. So when I say stroke action plan, because that is what I know, I'm a neurologist. तो स्ट्रोक या ब्रेन अटैक के बारे में हम कुछ वर्षों से काम कर रहे थे. And believe me, not all neurologists are stroke people. Stroke people are mad people because they strokes happen in the most ungodly hours. So they happen at 1 o'clock in the morning, and you need to get your butt up and go there and act. So it's never an armchair neurology. So brain attack के बारे में जागरूकता के लिए, to make people aware, not forget about public, even medical personnel aware of what can be done, change that nihilistic attitude which still plagues across all sections of the society, whether it's a doctor or a non-doctor. So we've been working on this. तो इसीलिए, and for the fact remains that we have limited resources. We are rich. We are rich in our population. We are rich in our principles, and also the history which backs us up as people who we can come out and we bounce back if we face adversities. That's our strength. So with that strength, जो normal जो resources का होता है, whether it is in terms of infrastructure and personal or money, we have made some solutions. So I'm going to give this as an example and build upon it. And हमारे भारत देश में तो जो मेरी जानकारी है, my limited knowledge beyond neurology is कि हमारे पास दो देवभूमि है, वन इज हिमाचल, वन इज उत्तराखंड, क्योंकि जब भी हम वी अलाइव फ्रॉम द थिंग दिस इज देवभूमि। तो हिमाचल में तो हमने कुछ किया है, and this has been since April 2014, and so it's been possible. So when Harish Bhatt ji आए थे, and all this is only because of him. I'm here because of him. I'm standing here because of him. So it's all because of Harish Bhatt ji. So he came and said, उत्तराखंड में क्यों नहीं? तो मैंने कहा कि बिल्कुल क्यों नहीं? I mean, this is the most thing which would actually give me that kind of a satisfaction that probably little else can ever get. So let's come down to this. तो जो stroke या brain attack, and for those little children out there, just wanted to tell you कि एक brain attack है, and there is nothing like a heart stroke and a brain stroke. Stroke and heart attack are two different things, except that the overarching targets for any of this, कि अगर हम health का लेके चलें कि problem है, so estimate the burden, and I think that has already been done for Uttarakhand. I guess you know where the issues are, and then in a brain attack there is a chain of survival. Like you have an incident happening, उसके बाद कुछ ट्रीटमेंट हुआ या नहीं हुआ, ट्रीटमेंट होने के बाद या नहीं होने के बाद उनका क्या हुआ. So whenever there is a heart attack and you know that there can be another heart attack, one is heart attack, then you survive, there could be another heart attack, you may die or you survive. You may survive with a disability, you survive well, but then you want to prevent it. So the entire chain is there, from prevention of a problem, occurrence of a problem, managing a problem, and aftermath of a problem. This is a continuity. So then you strategize this chain and build in timelines. You know, when we talk about this, there's so much of money and energy which has been expended into getting this and organizing this. Great. Now after this we have dinner, we go and vanish this. All this whole thing, this effort, that doesn't help. So you have to have a priori design of your performance measures, which at this point of time, इसके बाद क्या होना है. Now हरीश भट्ट जी हमने बात कर लिया कि इसके बाद तो होगा एक मीटिंग, and then we thought कौन वहाँ पे easily आ सकते हैं, because unless there are some big people, a lot of big people on the stage, it's actually you all come because they are here. So अगर कोई है नहीं तो it's difficult to even amass people who would listen. So वहाँ पे कौन आ सकते हैं, and then get the action plan in. Then the next step will be go down to wherever it is, पिथौरागढ़ हो, जो भी हो, मुझे नहीं पता. I know much about Himachal. We've been there, except those two Lahore, Spiti, where it is completely, it's a terrain which was, it is with the inclement weather, it was impossible. But here in Uttarakhand, I suppose when you go down, you would say, and sir, आपको तो I will have to take you with me. It will be impossible without doing it. Both Dr. Yadav and Nag Yadav, we are both committed now. So we will take them into that. No, he knows it. So I will, I'll hold his little finger, go there, and then I will take over that place for the brain attack thing. So that geographical area, we thought we will, and then have those timelines built in. So maybe in the end of 3 months, you see what you have achieved in that checklist of, we have it for stroke, and that's called a Get With The Guidelines program. Design a priori. Don't make it so big that you can't achieve it and you get demoralized at the end. Get achievable targets. Have an audit of those performance measures. That's very, very important. So in a stroke, जो होता है brain attack, it is an acute stroke. It is something which is sudden and life-changing. So I'm sure most of you would know, all the doctors would know what a stroke is. But बाकी जो personal है, जो non-medical है, tell me who do not understand what a stroke is. Please put your hands up. Do all of you know what a stroke is? Then I'm going to ask you what a stroke is. So आपने कहा कि stroke, we do not know what stroke is. Now stroke is a brain attack. Now heart attack, everybody knows. Right, I can ask these little kids out there कि heart attack तो बता देंगे. The sudden onset of a chest pain, there is sudden sweating. तो even वो आपातकालीन स्थिति है, एकदम से हॉस्पिटल भागना है. अगर heart attack हुआ तो मर सकते हैं, right? And I'm sure all of you know about it. तो same thing is a brain attack. जो heart attack होगा कि heart को खून की सप्लाई नहीं पहुंच पा रही है, suddenly बंद हो गया, तो obviously that organ is going to die. The same thing अगर brain को नहीं पहुंचता, तो obviously brain will die. And the brain is a supercomputer. अगर मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, and I mean, pardon my Hindi, I'm very poor. My husband is a Srivastava, but I'm all over the place. So therefore, my Hindi, you must pardon my grammar. So if I'm standing here, मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, so क्या शब्द यूज करनी है, आपसे कैसे संबोधन करना है, how do I convey the message to you, what are those words that I need, I pronounce those words, I use my hands, and I'm balanced out here. Everything is automatic because वो function and वो वाला जो भी command है brain से आ रहा है. And each millimeter of a nanometer is being supplied with tiny little blood vessels. वो अगर blood supply बंद हो गया, there is no storehouse in the brain, and you need this oxygen and the glucose going every single nanosecond. अगर वो बंद हो गया, तो वो जो भी हिस्सा वो blood supply, वो blood vessel पहुंचा रही है, that area dies. So I'll tell you, there are हमारे गर्दन में there are major blood vessels. And आपके अपनी अपनी little उंगली देख लीजिएगा. This is the size of your artery here. It's called internal carotid artery, the carotids. These are the two major vessels. आप देख लीजिए, मोटे मोटे हैं यहाँ पे. ऐसे ही दो पीछे हैं, थोड़ा सा पतला है. And the entire this blessed brain is functioning on these four blood vessels. And इसीलिए हमारे गर्दन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता ये ब्रेक डांस वाले क्या करते हैं. वो गर्दन को ऐसे घुमाते हैं ना कि wondering what is happening to the blood supply there. नहीं so and ये जो है ये ट्री बन जाती है, अंदर ब्रांचेस कर लेती, छोटे 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 सब सप्लाई कर लेती है. When the blood supply is stopped, within 3 minutes that area dies. Supposing this is blocked, what happens? One half of the brain is dead. And what happens? Suddenly आपकी जो भी फंक्शन अभी हो रहा है बंद हो गया. रोशनी चली जाएगी, मुंह टेढ़ा हो जाएगा, बोली बंद हो जाएगा, या उटपटांग बोलेंगे, या आप जो बता रहे हैं उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, बैलेंस बिगड़ जाएगा, एकदम से हाथ पैर गिर जाएगा जो लकवा हो जाती है, एकदम से झुंझुनी हो जाएगा, एंड देन यू कैन हैव सडनली यू कैन हैव इतना स्प्लिटिंग हेडेक. डोंट थिंक कि हर हेडेक स्ट्रोक है. जिसको सर है उसको सर दर्द तो होगा ही जिंदगी में. दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली श्योर एनिमल्स आल्सो हैव हेडेक्स एंड आल्सो बर्ड्स. बट दैट अपार्ट, सडन हेडेक जो जिंदगी में कभी नहीं हुआ, सडन लॉस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस या दौरे पड़ा. Look at the kind of a spectrum with which a brain attack happens. So sudden loss of a function. Please remember this. And do not think क्या होता है, diabetic है, suddenly what happens कि एक साइड को झुंझुनी हो रही है, तो शुगर तो कम होगा, पी लिया, it could be a stroke mimic also. They go to bed, they wake up and they have a full blown stroke. Or there is a little imbalance, or there is तुतलापन आ रही है बोली में, ये मेरे बेटा तो है ही नहीं, जब आएगा तब जाएंगे. By the time the beta arrives, it's a full blown stroke. Remember, time is brain. जैसे खून की नली बंद हुआ, उसकी रफ्तार तुरंत हमको चालू करना है. Just like heart attack. अगर time is a muscle, time is brain. तो हार्ट में तो 6 घंटा है, ब्रेन में तो और कम है, 4.5 घंटे है. तो खून की नली बंद हुआ, उसकी रफ्तार दोबारा चालू करना है. क्या ये कर सकते हैं? कर सकते हैं, कर रहे हैं. That is the tragedy, because that is what is happening here. But the fact remains that जिनको स्ट्रोक ही नहीं पता, तो वो कैसे पहचानेंगे? पहचानने के बाद कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपातकालीन स्थिति है? और जितना जल्दी उस हॉस्पिटल पहुंच जाए जिसमें वो उपलब्ध है. That's another unfortunate thing. There are no stroke maps. Okay, so there's a lot of gaps that we need to cover. And अगर stroke हो गया, छोटा stroke तो ठीक हो जाएगा, बड़ा stroke is life changing. अगर वो जितना भी, even if it happens to the, just I think 2-3 weeks ago, the owner of the Dubai UAE, he died of a stroke. The fact is that it doesn't matter. The thing is, you need to get that right time in the right place, right way. So that is important. And so how do you recognize? We say fast. That is, suddenly मुंह टेढ़ा हुआ या raise up your arm. ये तो गिर गया, ये तो है. Speech. And you say you smile and टेढ़ा smile हो रहा है. अगर ठीक से नहीं बोल पा रहे तो T is for time. This is, and उसके लिए we've also added B and E. I is vision and B is balance. Any sudden problem in your function, it may not be stroke, but it could be stroke. Go to the nearest person. Is that a message clear? Now everybody knows there's a brain attack. Okay. So therefore, अगर एक brain attack हुआ, what is important is your recognition. That is means the public should know कि ये stroke है. Because unless they come to you in time, what are you going to do about it? But दूसरा importance है कि once they reach you, you can't waste time. And this is to the doctors here. You can't waste time. You will have to manage it. That means for management की जो भी paraphernalia है वो रहना है. And then after that you have to prevent another stroke from happening, and then rehabilitation. Rehabilitation doesn't mean कि आप जाके exercise करो, be a good boy, stop smoking, stop drinking, reduce your weight. That doesn't help. That's important, but get him back integrated into society. So, and our Indian healthcare system, आपने सही कहा सर, 3 tier है. एक तो है wellness clinics, the primary health centers है. दूसरा है district hospitals, so largely have a plain CT scan. I do not know about Uttarakhand. That map I need to know. Himachal I know, 12 districts, 2 districts we have withdrawn from there, it's difficult. But बाकी 10 districts में CT scans है. So the first thing is CT scan shouldn't stay there like white elephants. Also make it functional. And then that is a workhorse. तो ये जो district hospital में क्या हो सकता है? And then you have well-oiled machinery of tertiary care centers. उसमें we have 70% is private, 30% is public. So we are catering to everything. The delivery system in India is pretty unique, and we don't have a national insurance. कि जैसे you take Canada or a Cuban system or wherever there is. So if somebody is in your Blue Mountains में किसी को कोई problem हो गया तो helicopter goes, picks up and brings to it, because that's how Canada functions. Now that is not possible for our country. So we do not have a overarching entire insurance system irrespective of what you are. So we have to build in all our checks and balances to make it work. So इसीलिए the stroke max and stroke wheels जो आपने कहा कि hub and spoke model, telemedicine, ये सब आ जाएगा. Because if I'm looking at neurologists, should strokes be managed by neurologists? I'm asking the doctors. Yes or no? It should be no, because neurologists कितने हैं हमारे भारत देश में? There are around 3,000 neurologists, and probably going. Maybe a couple of years will be 3,500. And what is our population? 1.3 billion, and we will be probably adding another Australia in the next decade. So, it's a no-brainer. Is it a rocket science to understand that you can't have super specialists who will have to take out super specialist kind of a management for the most common life-threatening diseases? So, it has to be physicians. Okay? That's the reason I'll give you a little example of Himachal, what we did. So, the ultimate goal, when I say stroke-ready India, so we should make our country ready to face the most common important diseases. Non-communicable, and of course, forget about COVID, I'm not even going there. So in the last 2 years, something else has happened. But then, in the non-communicable diseases. So what has happened is, and this is again to the medical fraternity, 2017 Lancet में publication आया. And that was a massive publication where they mapped out over 26 years what has happened to India. सारा states में the disease burden की क्या trajectory थी. So it has been transformed. It's changed from something like total communicable diseases. मतलब जो potable water, maternal child health care, people dying of tuberculosis, diarrheal diseases, it has shifted to non-communicable. So the big five, or essentially whether it's disability or whatever, and northeastern states, so 7 states made number 1 cause of death and disability is stroke. Did you know that? Medical community. Did you know that stroke is the #1 cause of death? It has overtaken ischemic heart disease. It has overtaken cancer. It has overtaken everything else. So it is above diarrhea, above tuberculosis, above COPD. Stroke is the #1 cause of death in the Northeast, the entire Northeast. But even in other states, the big five are these. We have cardiac, we have stroke, we have suicide, we have obstructive airway diseases, and then you have others. So इसमें in fact non-communicable disorders में we just bringing out the national guidelines. उसमें besides stroke and the others, we've also now added non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. That's another one which has got added into the fight. So things are moving, and the ministries are looking into it, and we've got out the latest guidelines for stroke as well as for NCDs, which are going to be released, and we've been orders in most of those guidelines, whether it is with ICMR or with the ministry. But thing is, कि NCDs are not something which you can turn a blind eye on. And this is a trajectory. कहीं 12वीं number में थी, it went up to 5. So, and of course we have a dual challenge. We still deal with the communicable disorders here and there. And again, so we have a double whammy. जो stroke care का है, whether it is Uttarakhand, Himachal or the rest of the whole country, in fact I would say even in Delhi, that these are the same problems we have. We have a delayed arrival because people don't pick up the problem कि ये stroke है. So they come late. When they come late, the brain is dead already. The other is, in the medical community, you're not even aware of what can be done once there is a stroke. And then especially your knowledge gap has to be definitely filled in amongst the physicians, and that's what we did for Himachal. And then so the thrombolysis तो दूर की बात है, तो and then of course economics so always is a problem. So we mapped out the gaps in India, and I'm just telling you, 0.5% across India receive this clot busting drug. And let me just compare and contrast. In AIIMS Delhi, our rate is 11%. ठीक है, but in the best of centers in the world, if I take Calgary, it is 33%. That means every third person who's coming with a stroke, they're able to take out the clot and make him walk. In fact, there is a beautiful editorial in one of the best colleges from there. The mandate is, when the patient is wheeled in on a trolley with a hemiplegia, the mandate is he walks back out of the hospital and back into his life. It's a beautiful statement. It's a beautiful statement. That someone who is coming on a stretcher and you're discharging him, he's walking back into his life. That's what we want. ये नहीं कि वो बंदा तो जिंदा है but अपाहिज है, किसी के ऊपर पूरा भोज करके रह रहा है. That is worse than death. That is a mandate, and that's a stroke genocide. Is it possible to do it in Uttarakhand? Say yes. Yeah, right. So, and what do we need for that? We definitely need a stroke team, and let's get to see what happens. And then again, most of you would think that ये तो brain attack होता है तो बुजुर्ग में भी होता है. It's not happening to young people, which is false. Just like we have young heart attacks, and you've heard a lot of them, isn't it? 30 years, 35 years, people suddenly just drop dead. Happening in strokes. And we have our own data. We are not borrowing it from somewhere. This is an old publication of ours, 2014. And current figures is about 25%, that means 1 in 4 of brain attacks are happening in people who are less than 40 years of age. And it's a terrible age to have a brain attack. You have a lot of responsibility. तो माँ बाप तो हैं, बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं, 12th में पहुंच गए. And just imagine if somebody then is suddenly out and becomes a dependent, what happens? Look at the economic and the social and that draconian effects that can happen into that family. We did this gap analysis, and you're talking about Uttarakhand. We did this gap analysis in our own 3 major hospitals. Anybody from Safdarjung, RML and LHMC here? No one? Okay. And then this gap analysis we did, we took World Health Organization's criteria which are validated कि minimum क्या चाहिए होगा for a healthcare in stroke, essential क्या है in advance, and you would expect that these tertiary cares would be okay. You should tell me when to. Okay, so we mapped this out, and this is how a busy emergency area was looking in. There's a heart command center, sir. Yeah, this sir, you should know that there's a heart command center. We wanted a stroke command center, but this is how a busy emergency area looks, and there is a total mayhem anyhow there. Everybody, there is a stroke unit भी है, but अंदर तो खाली ventilators है, patients नहीं है. So the thing is that just having infrastructure may not help. You need the right attitude and people who are willing to put in. So this is how we mapped out कि primary में क्या हो सकता है, secondary में क्या हो सकता है, tertiary में. Somebody was asking just now, wellness clinic में क्या हो सकता है, brain attack के लिए बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. आप prevent कर दो, बीपी नाप लेना, शुगर नाप लेना, पॉइंट ऑफ केयर सिस्टम में आपको 1 मिनट लगेगा. उसमें बीपी है तो बता दीजिए बीपी है, उसके दवाई लेनी है, एटलीस्ट रेफर कर लेना. ब्रेन अटैक को पिकअप कर सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन डू द रिहैबिलिटेशन. गेट द लोकल सिस्टम्स देयर, गेट आमची. वी डन इट इन लद्दाख. वी डू अ कैंप इन लद्दाख, एंड वहां पे आमची डॉक्टर्स आर समवन पीपल रेस्पेक्ट. अगर मैं जाके कुछ बोलूं तो वो देखेंगे अच्छा झूले झूले एंड दे गो अवे. बट अगर आमची डॉक्टर कम्स एंड सेज द सेम थिंग कि आप अपना बीपी का दवाई लो, दे लिसन. वी नीड समवन हु कैन इन्फ्लुएंस आवर public, and those influential people, it can't be this way. It has to be someone who they will believe in, and for that you need local people. So we always take the local practitioners into this gamut. Why not? Any system will work. It has science. You should find out what is the good science and do the practice. So we mapped out secondary and the tertiary, and we mapped out what is happening with the entire India. I didn't map out Uttarakhand. I don't know about it. But then there are बहुत gaps है इंडिया में. Not just these hilly states. There are a lot of places where nothing much is happening. But we are improving. Something from 2009 to 2016, there's been a sea change. And I'm being told to just cut across it. So I think I'll just come to, these are the guidelines which are going to be released. And I must tell you, even from the government of India, there's been a lot of initiative. वो ICMR से टेलीमेडिसिन का गाइडलाइंस तो कर दिया. टेलीस्ट्रोक गाइडलाइंस वी हैव रिलीज्ड विद द आईसीएमआर एंड द एनसीडी एक्शन प्लान फ्रेमवर्क. आयुष्मान भारत का उस स्कीम से स्ट्रोक में कितना तक बेनिफिट हुआ, व्हाट हैव बीन द स्टैटिस्टिक्स दैट हैव बीन चेंज्ड. प्री हॉस्पिटल नाउ द NPCDCS project as such for stroke, this we have launched. I mean, this was in Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is something different. Anyway, we tried. So then this was again in Rajasthan. I think lot of it. But I'll come specifically now to Himachal. But Himachal I bata do and then I will end. As I said, and again, this is not talking off the hat. These are all published literature, including it's gone to international thing. The World Health Organization also has taken an uptake, because what we did is absolutely no cost. Because जब आप टेलीमेडिसिन कहते हैं ना, काफी कॉस्टली पड़ता है in the rest of the world as such. So we have used the WhatsApp thing. So what we did is, हिमाचल में हमने ये शुरू किया अप्रैल 2014 में. वहाँ पे we've taken, this is a top down approach. We've got the government involved, and दो 10 districts के जो emergencies जो man करते हैं, जो 10 district hospitals में it is manned by on rotation. There could be an obstetrician, there could be an orthopedician, there could be general physician, could be a gynecologist. So that is true for all districts, whether it is Ladakh and it is Himachal, district hospital level. So the medical officers who were in charge, and they had cherry-picked few of these, I would say the doctors who are manning the emergency. उनको लिया है. एम्बुलेंस 108 system functions in Uttarakhand, I suppose, right? Himachal is that, so we got the ambulance guys and also the implementers, some other policy makers. What do we need for stroke? एक तो plain CT scan मैंने बोला था कि functioning होनी चाहिए. Second is to have the clot, busting drug. So that जो TPA जो कहते हैं, there are two varieties. There is an altic place and tenitic place. Both are available. We made them free on the shelf. It has a shelf life of 3 years. We can have it because एक attack आने के बाद then you can't go around hunting for the drug. You have to give it start. Machine and one blood sugar machine. Then we devised what I call as monkey-proof standard operating protocols. My son is a pilot. He's a captain. So I take cues from him. When you fly a plane, is there a room for error? No, there's a zero room for error. Totally. So what do they have? They have a checklist. Usme every box has to be checked. One box not checked, you're not flying a plane. Exactly the same thing. So we made a checklist जिसमें the biggest fear of a physician would be, भाई मैंने तो क्लॉट लाइसिंग ड्रग दे दिया, उसमें अंदर ब्लीडिंग हो गया तो क्या करूं? तो वी हैड टू मिनिमाइज द रिस्क. एट द सेम टाइम अगर आप ऐसे ही डर के मार के आप अंदर बैठ गए तो कोई स्ट्रोक ट्रीटमेंट होगा ही नहीं. और आपका व्हेन समथिंग इज हैपनिंग इन शिमला, एटलीस्ट आईजीएम्स में चले जाएंगे, अंदर कहीं ऊना कहीं पे पड़े हैं तो वेर आर यू कांट गो टू चंडीगढ़. बाय टाइम यू रीच चंडीगढ़ ब्रेन इज डेड. एंड इट्स हैपेंड टू सम वेरी हाई ब्यूरोक्रेट्स इन हिमाचल. सो we got them, and it was a train of the trainers program where we gave lectures, we got them certified. Then we used this WhatsApp model. WhatsApp में तो कोई cost है नहीं, and we actually have a legal guidance for that. We took that clearance from ICMR. इसमें जो CT करके वो जो plain CT film WhatsApp करेगी. We made one chain. I was part of it, and we had 3 neurologists in entire Himachal Pradesh. We were connected. ये जब आ जाएगा, then we basically what we told them is, CT जब होता है, you should not see anything white, you should not see anything dark in the CT scan. I think you have someone who's coming. So, if there is white, then there is a bleed.
सबका प्रॉमिस था कि मैं हर हालत में इस प्रोग्राम में आऊँगा. डायरेक्ट साहब जो है झांसी से आ रहे हैं, वहाँ कोई मीटिंग थी, इनकी एड्रेस आई थी, और आपको मालूम है कि झांसी से कोई एयर सर्विसेज नहीं है, तो बाई ट्रेन ही आए. 7:30 पे ये निजामुद्दीन पहुँचे, डायरेक्ट वहाँ से सर आए हैं. तो हम सर के बहुत ही धन्यवाद है. शुक्रिया.
तो आई थिंक आई विल क्विकली रैप अप. अब सर भी साथ में है हमारा. तो what we did is the same, a checklist which was, I call it monkey proof checklist. वो करके हमने देखा है कि first thrombolysis, your clot treatment in a brain attack in Himachal was done by an obstetrician. Isn't that great? क्योंकि वो इमरजेंसी में थे, ब्रेन अटैक आया, he picked it up, ये सीटी हुआ, हमारे व्हाट्सएप कर दिया, हमको चेकलिस्ट कर देने कहा कि आप दे दो, इंट्रावीनसली तो देना था, कर दिया, बंदा ठीक हो गया. So the first thrombolysis in Himachal was actually done by an obstetrician in a district hospital, and from there there has been no looking back. तो अब इनफैक्ट हमारे सेकेंड फेज में हम चले गए, जिसमें नेक्स्ट हम जो प्रिवेंशन, जो क्लिनिक एंड रिहैबिलिटेशन का, अभी हमारा एक मीटिंग हुई पालमपुर में, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डू दैट विद द चीफ सेक्रेटरी. अभी जो सेक्रेटरी जो हेल्थ का है मिस्टर सुभाषिष पांडा से वो बात हो गई. तो एक्चुअली अ टॉप डाउन अप्रोच इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज एक तरह के विप होता है वहां पे कि वो इन्वॉल्वमेंट होती है, एंड देन एज डॉक्टर्स देन वी आर ऑल इनसाइड. तो वो हम, it's been doable in Himachal, so I don't see any reason why it can't be done in Uttarakhand. So this is a low cost telestroke model जो Himachal ने showcase किया, and it has gone to the World Health Organization. It's been reported, and then across India चली गई, पंजाब, हरियाणा, it's gone down south. साउथ में तो बहुत कुछ है, स्क्रिप्ट मॉडल है, तमिलनाडु, पंजाब, केरला, entire thing it's now functioning. साउथ में it is a lot of PPP programs में किया, which is I think sustainable. वो भी आप देख सकते हैं. तो stroke unit care की entire system we can build it, and I always put this that stroke units turn chaos into order. And interventions ले आए. इसमें stroke में इतना तरक्की आ गया कि जो stroke की जो clot है, ये तो मैं अभी बताएं. बड़ा जो मैंने आपको बोला कि एक बड़ा अटैक हो गया तो उसको देके just like angioplasty you can take it out. वो critical mass भी अभी develop हो रहा है. There are a lot of people who are doing it, and examination, NMC, everybody is in this. There are associations which are now like Indian Stroke Association with WHO, World Stroke Organization. They're all there. So agar this kind of a non-governmental organization wants help, support, that's why मैं Dr. रत्ना को भी आज ले आई हूँ, because she is the voice of the International Alliance of Patient Organization. There's an international network which is there. If she is involved with our Uttarakhand program, that will again give us a lot of probably inputs as to how we do it. And आपने कहा the hospital on wheels, and that's what we've done. What is called as mobile stroke units. 2 जगह में तो आ गई है, वो तो डिब्रूगढ़, तेजपुर, असम में तो चल रहा है. ये जो कोविड के टाइम पे थोड़ा सा there was a lag period. Now this we had launched at that time through the ICMR, and दिल्ली में भी we are going to launch a mobile stroke unit. And you'll wonder कि क्यों दिल्ली में? मुझे लगता है दिल्ली में बहुत important है. तो आप देखा बाहर जो ट्रैफिक जाम है, लग जाएंगे. आप तो कोई नहीं, nobody follows any traffic civic rules, I must say. क्योंकि अगर वो जो एम्बुलेंस ना कूं कहती जाएगी and एक ऑटो आ जाएगा उसके सामने, you can't even move. You don't have that system. So therefore I do feel जहाँ पे जो population बहुत thick है, you actually need this कि वो at least उस जगह पे पहुँच जाए जहाँ पे there maybe it will be a lot of difficulty to transport from say maybe Shadra to AIMS, नहीं हो पाएगा. So you need a midpoint somewhere. So this is also being commissioned. It's going to come to Delhi as well, the mobile stroke units, and we called it the Mission Delhi. Heart attack का पहले आ गया था, now we have launched into the stroke. So and I think I'll end it here, because I think the same thing, I want to end on this again, this note, and now we have, I think, the most important dignitary out here on the stage. So with his blessings and yours, so I think once this is launched, what my only request is कि this should not start and end today. कि एक बड़ा सा कॉन्फ्रेंस हो गया, बस सब लोग आ गया, VIPs आ गया, बातचीत हो गया, चले गए. You have to have your audit of what has happened after this. Please put that in place, and I'll be very, very honored to be part of this endeavor of yours. Thank you so much.